Okay, now we are going to start activating the component, the upload component. This very component. So far so good, everything is working as it should. As soon as we make a selection, this upload component, we now want to determine how we want it to actually behave. So back in our source code, this is the component, okay, upload form. Okay, what I would like to do with it is like this. Let me remove this one for now, break the line, and then I will make this into I will do some class name. I want to display this as absolute w dash full h dash screen. Okay, that is full width, full height, top 0, left 0. Okay, then I would also like to do some background. I want to display this as a what do you call that one, model. I want to display it as an overlay with a model inside it. So the background is going to be black, okay, then slash. In tailwind, if you do some color and do slash, you are determining some opacity. Okay, so you can see this one is of 0.05, then 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So I think something like this, 0.3 opacity is going to be okay for me. If it is, then I will make a change. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to display it as flex, and also I will do items center, and also justify center as well. Okay, so these are the rules I intend to give this. So the next thing I want to do also is to create the div which will be the actual model. So let me do the div tag here, and then inside this div tag I will give it a class name, and the class name is going to be like this. Let me do w dash let's say 50% of the screen. That is the width of 50%, but also with a maximum width of, let's say, something like 700 pixels. Okay, then I will also do h dash, let me make the h to be 50%, okay, or maybe 50 view height, 50% of the visible screen. And the next thing is I will do overflow y auto, and also let me do p-5 to give some padding all around, and also I will do bg-white, and let me do rounded lg, and let me do shadow md. Okay, so what else do I need to add to this? I think that should be it for now. Okay, inside this div, so let me break the div to another line, and then inside here, at least for now, let me create a close button. All right, so as for the close button, I want to bring in an icon. So if you know any icon which you can use, you can go ahead and do it. I think I will try md close. Okay, so as you can see, I will need to import that md close from React icons. So let me do import md close from React icons slash md, just like that. Okay, it is a good time that I will test what I am doing and see. So let me go ahead and save that and take a look. See, this is what I am creating. Let me refresh. If I make a selection, selecting an LG, selecting an RA, selecting a PU, so this will appear. Okay, that means it will appear with the form that I will fill for the result. Okay, so this is my implementation, a little different from your own ko Masarik. In za ka yi amfani da naka, it is totally fine. Okay, amma this is how I intend to do my own. All right, so this close button, I want it to be a button and I would like it to stay over here. So let me go and make a slight change to it. So let me make a button and I will move this inside the button. And then the button, I will give it its class name. I will give it a class name of float right. Okay, let me see if I do it correct. Yes, I do it correct. So this will be floated to the right. Okay, and then this button should have an on click event. So I will do on click and it should handle close. Okay, so where do I get this function? Well, this function, I would like to delegate it as a prop from the upper element, which is this upload page. Okay, so since it is going to be a prop, then that means I will have to bring in the prop right here. So let me destructure and pick the handle clause. Okay, at least for now I have this in place. So let me go ahead and save that, then come back to upload, and let me go somewhere and create handle clause. First handle clause. Okay, and that handle clause is going to be a function with a callback. Okay, so for now let me set the set PUID to be empty. So set PUID just like that. Okay, so at least for now, maybe I will consider changing something about this function, but for now this is what I have. So how do I pass this function to the upload form? Well, I can do that by coming down here and then applying that one as a prop. So I will do on close, then that is going to be handle close. Okay, actually it should not be something like on close, it should be something like on click. On click. Okay, so on click handle close. So let me go ahead and check my implementation so far. I click, but it is still there. Let me make a refresh. Okay, I am clicking, but the component is still there. But let us find out if let me check the PU from under if it is at all changing. So looks like the PU is not even changing when I do change. Let me do it again. Let's say I pick this Malam Auto Street and then close. Okay, so actually that is not working. So which means this function set PUID, we will need to change it. Let me go up and take a look at, okay, PUID. Okay, PUID, and the function that will reset it is set PUID. Actually this one should work. This is handle close, but before I move on, let me check my let me inspect and see, maybe I have some reference which I did not reference well.